Hello po, good afternoon po.
Good afternoon.
Nabanggit nyo kanina na gusto nyo nang magkaroon ulit ng acting project. Ano yung pinaka-namimiss nyo sa paggawa ng pelikula at saka sa paggawa ng TV series?
Hindi ko alam. Because acting is so different from singing, what I normally do. It's really different. Yung pag umaarte ka kasi parang, although medyo may relasyon silang dalawa, pero yung acting kasi, you have to be a different person every single time you act kasi that's not you. So, not that I miss playing another character, but it's the experience of playing another character. Alam mo yun? Kasi iba yung experience niya sa mga nai-experience ko. So I think that's what I miss about it. Kasi you also learn from the characters that you play. Kung saan man siya dadalhin ng storya niya. May mga learnings ka din na makukuha doon. So I like that. I like learning from the characters that I play.
And nabanggit nyo rin po kanina na may contentment na sa life ninyo kung nasaan kayo ngayon. Pero right now po ba, naapektuhan pa rin kayo kapag may negative feedback or bashing, for example?
Yes, I'm a human being. That's normal. But I don't anymore focus on that so much. Kesa yung, as compared to when I was younger, na talagang umiinit yung ulo ko at pinapatulan ko. Siguro kaya if I read something, I just need to correct, and then I just let it go. Sometimes a lot of times I don't even read. Opinion nila yun. So, okay, bigay ko na yun. Ganun talaga eh. You can't please everybody. That's although me as an artist, I want to please everyone, and I don't want anyone saying bad things about me. As an artist, din yung kahit as a person, yun yung gusto ko na walang masasabi sa'yo kahit sino. Kaya lang, imposible yun eh. Laging may masasabi sa'yo. So, siguro, as you get older, parang you kind of don't care. I don't know, okay. Parang you just let it go. You just choose your battle. That's what I've learned as I've gotten older. I just choose my battle. Hindi na ako pumapatol kahit saan, kahit ano. Parang, Diyos ko na, ang tanda mo na, parang yung pa ba yung source ng heart attack mo? Parang ayaw mo yun, ano. Kasi parang natanggap ko na no matter what we do, no matter what you try to be good, you try to be helpful, you try to do this, do that, people will always say something. Ganun kasi talaga. So I don't think we can change that.
Kasi po kahit doon sa nilabas na teaser for Wherever You Are, kina JM Piang din, ang lakas din ng bashing din sa kanila.
Oo,
kahit na rising artist pa lang sila.
Hindi, tsaka yun, parang ako nga, nahihiya pa nga ako na may mga ganon because I asked them to do the music video for me. They didn't have to. They didn't have to do that, but they asked it, and I'm very thankful. And so, I think those people who are saying things about the music video, they don't understand. Yun yung parang hindi nila naiintindihan yung proseso, kung bakit sila yung pinili, kung bakit wala ako doon, at kaninong desisyon yun, hindi nila naiintindihan yung process. So, that's why when someone said that, I corrected them and I said that, actually it was my concept. And I really didn't want to be in the video because I wanted the story to be just about the two of them. Parang background lang talaga yung boses ko. Pero it's my music video. It's still mine. So, siguro hindi lang nila naiintindihan. They haven't seen it yet. But I'm hoping that as soon as they see it, it'll change their mind kasi bumagay talaga doon sa song. The song is about longing. And again, for me, that's Little Mermaid.
Pero ang ganda ng pagkaka-explain mo, Reg, no? I'm sure yung mga basher na intindihan nila ngayon, baka mag-delete sila ng komento nila. So, Junel, can you promise na i-delete
mukha ko sa isang video, pwede. Diba?
Okay, thank you po.
Thank you, Julie.